and welcome to another YouTube video. In today's video, we're going to be discussing how you can promote your Quora profile on other major social media platforms. Now, the first thing that you need to do is you need to shortlist a few questions that you've answered from your profile, which have gotten the most amount of upvotes, the most amount of shares, and basically a lot of engagement. Because you need to establish your authority by displaying the answers which have gotten the most response from the audiences, and nothing speaks authority like engagement level and responses and views on Quora. So that's the first strategy that you need to keep in mind. The second thing that you want to do is you want to scroll down your profile and select a question with the most amount of upvotes. So let's just see, we have this one right here. It has 8 upvotes and we can use this one. Can somebody pick the same YouTube channel name as me? So we're going to click on more sharing options. And as you can see, we can directly share it on Facebook, on Twitter. We can also copy the link and we can embed the answer as well. So if we go to Facebook, the first thing that we would like to do is we would post this not only on our profile, but also amongst the relevant groups. So let's just say if we are in a group called digital marketing, we're going to share this Quora answer there as well, because it will help us establish credibility. But we're not just going to simply post this question and the details there with a link. We're going to insert a caption like we have here in the question, and then we're going to give them an answer right beside the question. So that's another strategy. To show you how we can do it on Quora and how we can use that strategy on Twitter are two different things, because Quora is a different platform and Twitter is another. So you'll go on Twitter and we are going to answer this question by making it seem like something that was a query and we've answered it by ourselves. I know this sounds a bit complicated, but it's a lot easier than you think. So we can do this, and apart from that, we can also just copy the link and we can paste it on any profile that we like. It could be Instagram, it could be other sources, or we can also embed the answer. We can copy this link and paste it on our website. So this is another strategy. This is something really useful and really helpful, and it's far better than using different platforms to share your answers, because when people visit your website, they'll be able to see this and you'll be able to build a flow between a flow of traffic between your Quora profile and your website. So this is another very useful strategy, and these are some of the most basic ways you can use in order to promote your Quora profile on social media platforms. You can use Facebook, you can use Twitter directly, you can use Facebook groups, you can also use Twitter groups or Twitter hashtags, and you can copy the link of your question and post it on other sites, and you can embed the answer on your website as well. So go ahead and do it for yourself.